Hey there everyone, it's Brendan here from Crypto 101, and in today's video, we're going to be walking through how to use Jupiter. Now, Jupiter is the primary AMM or automated market maker for the Solana ecosystem. What this means is that you're able to go over to Jupiter, search for altcoins that you want to buy within the Solana ecosystem, and Jupiter will actually scan all of the available options and find you the best opportunity to purchase that specific altcoin. So it's kind of like a DEX, except the difference here is that a DEX only focuses on one path to get you that altcoin, and it might not be the best fill, whereas Jupiter will actually filter all of the DEXs that it has access to and find you the best price and the best fill inside of the Solana ecosystem. So let's go ahead and switch over to a screen share here, and we'll start things off by going to jupe.ag. Now, this is the primary loading screen or landing page once you go to Jupiter. And we always want to make sure that everyone knows that since this is a decentralized platform, you're going to have a Solana-based wallet to interact with it. It's a little bit different from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance or Kraken or KuCoin, because those are all centralized exchanges, and this is a decentralized way to trade crypto. So my personal favorite wallet here is the Phantom wallet, and that's the one that I have connected. And if you have already gone ahead and created a Phantom wallet and filled it up with some Solana or another Solana-based cryptocurrency, then that is going to get you to where you need to be right now. So if you already have Solana in your Phantom wallet and you already have that Phantom wallet created, then you're going to need to connect your wallet in the top right-hand corner over here. And once you do that, you're going to be good to go. So you can go ahead and see that there are a couple of options to work with on Jupiter. We have the spot trading option, the perps trading option, the token options, and then the more option. Now, the primary thing that we're going to be focusing on in this video is the spot trading option, because this is what the majority of users actually come to Jupiter for in the first place. Yes, you can trade perpetuals, which are essentially just leveraged versions of all these assets, but they are significantly more complicated and risky. And the primary reason that, again, people use Jupiter is for spot trading, which is what we're going to be focusing on. So if you simply just want to trade your Solana for maybe an altcoin that you've been looking for and you want to get the best deal for it, then you're going to come down here to this instant tab and you're going to go ahead and swap out USDC for likely Solana, because you're going to be exchanging your Solana for a desired altcoin. So now that we are selling our Solana or trading it out of our wallet for this new altcoin, the buying button is where we want to put in this altcoin information. Now we can come over here and, say we want to buy Chill Guy, for example. Well, we can try typing that in, but if it doesn't come up, or we want to make sure that we get the right cryptocurrency, as there can be multiple Chill Guys, then the easiest way to make sure that you're getting the right coin is to go over to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, type in that coin that you want to get, whether it is Chill Guy in this example. And once we type this in, then we can see that there is a contract address right down here for Chill Guy. Now I can copy this and paste it into my tab like this. And if I do that, it's going to go ahead and make sure that only one token pops up, and that is the correct Chill Guy contract. Now, what if I wanted to do another cryptocurrency? What if I wanted to buy Jupiter on Jupiter? Well, I can come over here and I can type in Jupiter. And once I go ahead and click this, I can see that this has a contract address as well. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this to my clipboard. I'm going to go back to the Jupiter Decentralized Exchange, and I'm going to paste in the new contract address that I just copied for Jupiter. Now, I'm going to go ahead after pasting this in. I'm going to see that only one option comes up, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now I can see that I am exchanging or selling Solana out of my wallet to be buying Jupiter into my wallet, pulling it in. I'm going to be making this trade. So I can trade any incremental value that I want here. It can be 1 Solana. It can be, 0.15234 5 Solana, right? You can get really specific with it if you want to. And so all that I have to do here to exchange this is just say, hey, I'm going to type in my number. It's going to tell me what I'm getting over here, and I can go ahead and click swap. Once I do this, it's going to ask me to confirm the transaction, which I'm going to go ahead and do. And then I'm going to give it just a moment, and you'll see in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen that the transaction has been confirmed. So if I want to double confirm this, I can go over to my Phantom wallet, I can go to my recent transactions, and boom, I have that new Jupiter that I just bought up there in the top. So when it comes to trading on Jupiter, that's really all there is to it. You can find just about every single coin in the Solana ecosystem inside of Jupiter, and you can also get access to a couple of other features as well. So if you want to see a separate video on maybe some of the other features of Jupiter, like perpetuals and maybe some of the other options, let us know. We got a lot of tutorials coming your way, and we're happy to make a more in-depth video on Jupiter if there is the demand for it. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see all of you in the next video.